Okay, week 8 coding assignment. We're going to start with the ERD that you can see here. We have 5 tables: project, material, step, category, and a join table of project category. Uh, Primary keys are going to be project ID, material ID, step ID, category ID, with foreign keys of project ID in the step and material tables. You see we have from the project table to the category table, we have a many-to-many connection with a join table because there's no foreign key in either of these. So we need the join table to make this connection, and that is represented by the dashed lines. We have a one-to-many connection with the project table to the material table. And same with the project table to the step table. We make these one-to-many connections using the foreign key of project ID that we have in each of these tables. So if we come to Eclipse, you can see we start with our drop table lines here so that we can start fresh with each iteration. And here we have the create tables. I'll go through the projects table, project ID. This is going to be the primary key, and all the primary keys we're going to use integer, that is auto increment, not null. So each new record we add will automatically generate the next number. So we'll have our unique primary keys. We can see that here. Same with the material table. We have the material ID, integer, auto increment, not null, primary key, and then we can have the foreign key here. Project ID references projects, so it's going to look to the projects table, the project ID, and on delete cascade, so that if a record is deleted from the projects table, that link will also be removed from the material table. And we have basically the same here with the step table. The category table will only have the primary key of category ID, but the same integer auto increment, not null. And here is our join table that we have the two foreign keys on delete cascade, both as well as the unique key, project ID and category ID. So what we're going to do is grab all of this and go to dbeaver. We'll come down here. We will go to our databases, projects, tables. You see that we have our 5 tables here. But we're going to go here, SQL editor, open new SQL editor. I'm going to paste in everything from Eclipse and select all, Alt X. And you can see that we have no issues with our SQL coding here. There was when I initially did this, yes, there was a few, missing commas, little tweaks that had to be made, but for the most part, pretty straightforward. But we have our tables here. And if we go to MySQL, we also see that we have our tables here. So